Yeah. A Jamaican nation me represent. Them take we fi fool, but we intelligent. System corrupt, same government. Me rather trust cartel than parliament. Yeah. The dirty thinking politician, them no love we. Where them a do to poor people a fuckery. The money where them get for the country, we know them a go take time to fit out monthly. We know none of them no love us. Who no lock up and you and give without us. This a no scandal but this a crocus. Who no push we in a after, you say trust us. Everything where you see go on what day, yeah, is because Andrew signed the paper. You see the treasurer, he is a traitor. So give the treasure to the dancehall savior. Let world boss fix back the country. If it's not world boss, then give we bounty. We can't trust